Good morning. It's Jipples Nipples out in the garden. It is Saturday the 31st of July. We are meant to be racing from Sedbergh, but apparently there's low cloud at Sedbergh. So the transporter's bringing them back to Shap, the hawk run. So I'll spin you around and let you look around the garden. As I say, I've got 6 away, Lynn's got 2 away. They are flying into a reasonable northwest, probably about 10, 12, 14 mile an hour sort of thing, and it's overcast. So we'll have a look around the garden. Here we have the viewing area. As I say, overcast, but that's obviously the length of the country. They are being liberated at 10:30. It's currently 10:28. Her Majesty is installing her ETS pad. She likes to leave it to the last minute. My little birdies didn't seem to like the clock sitting on the landing board last week, so we've constructed a little box to hide it away in. Ta-da! That will go underneath there at some point, but I didn't realise I've got quarter ply in perspex, so the birds wouldn't click the pad. So just about to be off. We had a tailwind last week, which was an hour 28 for the first one, so an hour 28 would be 12 o'clock-ish. We'll let you know how we go on. 8 birds flying back to TTR HQ. Over and out. Go boys, come on! 12:30. Still full fucking flying. Come on, fuck, they're done. Well, it's a kind of good sign, but kind of bad sign. Come on, son. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Oh, no, the fucking wires. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. They're spooked and all. Come on, son. Go on, boys. Come on. Come on in. Come on, boy. Two, three, 4, 2. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on in. Come on, boys. That fucking cock in the pad. Come on, boys. Come on. Go on, son. Go on, lass. Go on. Go on. Go on. Come on, lads. Come on, boys. Go on. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, lad. Come on.
I'm going to send them another toss before they get settled.
Come on, lad. Come on. That's not even my fucking bird. That's not even my bird. It's rubber wrong. Huh? Ending 3-3, not my bird. White rubber rung, looks like a hen. Good afternoon, it's Jipples Nipples out in the garden. Match day report. What can we say? It's not been too bad. I'm down one, Lindsay's down one. I have the match report in front of me, 1 second. So as you can see, our club doesn't use a lot of ETSs on the birds early in the season, but that seems quite normal. Lindsay and I do, however, because we're as competitive as fuck. So, the first bird there at 12:26, second one at 12:27, then I had to go at the clock for 2, then well been away, 9:50's coming at 1:30, another Sujin in at 2:30, and just there, set just now at 3:45 is 9:49. So from my 6 birds sent, there are 5 back at TTR HQ, and Lindsay has one of her 2. So we have survived the second Shap. So we will be, we hint at the tenants there. So we will be going forward to Sedbergh next weekend. Going to follow the same routine, 2 or 3 training tosses short distance over the course of the week. And Margie's over there tidying out. So yeah, 31st July, Shap, 62 miles, check. And like all top athletes, after the match, we jump in the communal bath. Marvellous.